Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today we are going to declutter some of my nail polish. I've collected so many nail polish throughout the years and I want to share with you my nail polish collection. It is really crazy and you guys will be shocked about it. So if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about makeup, please don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. So this is all my nail polishes. I have so many nail polishes. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to separate this and do a keep pile and a throw out pile. This is the keep pile. And this pile right here, this small pile right here, is the pile I'm gonna throw out. I know compared to this, this is so much I'm keeping. But these are good nail polish and they name brand. Guys, so this is how I store my nail polish in this acrylic. You open it to the side right here. Right here, and wall it up. Then you put the nails all in here, the slots. Then you close it, and then it has a handle, so you can definitely carry it. Then it's double sized. You get to put nail polish on this side, and then on this side as well opens too. So these I got on Amazon. I will definitely put in the description box below the link where I got it on Amazon so you guys could check it out. And I have 3 of these. So this is 1, 2 side nail polishes are going in 3. So I got 3 of them for my nail polish, and the link for these is going to be in the description box below. Hey guys, so this is the storage. So the first one I'm keeping is Wet n Wild nail polish, and then I'm keeping, that's from MAC, and then that's Sinful Colors, and then that's RT, and then that's also a MAC cosmetic, and that's H&M, and that's Essence, and some other brand. And this is a weird nail polish that I found at a local discount store where I live. And that's Sinful Colors, Koki Cosmetics, SC nail polish. That's Wet n Wild, and that's also SC, and that's Deborah Lieberman nail polish. And this one is Maybelline nail polish, and that one is Orly nail polish. That one is Ela, and that one's SC. That one is Sally Hansen, MAC Cosmetics. So this is how I'm gonna store it. So first one is Sally Hansen gel polish, and then another Sally Hansen. You can tell I really love Sally Hansen. And I also got another one, and these are all like the pink shades. And this one is Deborah Lehman. Next is SC nail polish, also gel as well. Then I have is H&M. Then is Smith & Co nail polish. Then I have is Essie. Then the next one is, let me see, as I'm trying to separate these nail polishes, I say next one is by Cosmetics. And then as I'm trying to find the next one, I say the next one I'm going to put in the slot is this LA colored nail. Is a yellow nail polish, of course, and that's H&M. Next is so as I'm trying to organize it, the next one is Wet n Wild gel nail polish, and then I'm using Koki. The next one is Koki Cosmetics, and then this one is LVX. That one's Essence Cosmetics. Next is Sally Hansen, and that one Essence LA Colors again. That one is Ezzy nail polish, and that one is H&M Sinful Colors. So I'm replacing it with one of the nail polish with H&M nail polish, and then that one is Sally Hansen, and another Sally Hansen nail polish, and then a rare one that I found at my local discount store. So next is Ciate London nail polish, Etsy nail polish, Butter London nail polish, another Ciate London nail polish, H&M. That one's from right there, I remember. That's OPI, MAC Cosmetics, MAC again, OPI, Formula X, that little one in the middle. That one's from Rite Aid. That one, Essie, Maybelline, some brand, I don't remember. That's Essie too. So now I'm gonna flip it around and open. Okay, now let's go. So next is Sinful Colors, Wet n Wild Bonita nail polish, H&M. That one Sally Hansen, OPI, Nicole by OPI, Sinful Colors, Wet n Wild, Sally Hansen, Trust Fund Beauty. That one is both mini OPI nail polish. That one is Elf Cosmetic. That one is Koki. That one is Wet n Wild. Maybelline, H&M, Koki Cosmetics. That's MAC Cosmetics, Orly. That one is Orly 2, Essence Cosmetics, and that's Trust Fund Beauty. And then what I'm doing, I'm like switching it around because I found a polish that will fit better in the place. So I'm just switching it, and that's Butter London. Next is that's Essie and Kardashian nail polish. That's Orlay nail polish. That's Wet and Wild. Sinful Colors. Some brand, I don't remember the name of that one. Those are two minis OPI nail polishes. That's Sally Hansen gel polish. That's Sinful Colors. That's the Art nail polish. That's Formula X. Also Formula X. That's Elf. Yeah, Elf and some other brand. Sally Hansen. Sally Hansen No Chip. Sally Hansen Nail Hardener. That's Essie. Sally Hansen. That's LA Colors, LA Colors, LA Colors. Let's see. That's Essence. One Drop is fast drying top coat, which I love, especially if you're in a rush. I love that stuff. And that's Sally Hansen. My nail polishes are nice and organized, so this is how it looks like. All pinks, everything is color coordinated. So I turn it around, you can see orange and blues nail polish. And I'm on to the next one, and everything is purple and gold. And I turn it around and you see all reds and grays. And then lastly, I have all my nail treatments and black and white nail polish. Then I turn it around, I still have space. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this decluttered video. If you guys want more decluttered videos, please let me know in the description box below. Tell me what other decluttered videos you want me to film, and I will be happy to film it. So give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe right here or right here, and I'll see you in my next video.